This video is about managerial cost accounting. We call our method from the class and pass in the manufacture data. We get the calculations for overhead, manufacturing costs and cost of goods. I will show you how to make this method functions now. Cost accounting method has self and manufacture data as arguments. Manufacture variable is the data dictionary values cast into a list function. Actual manufacture overhead variable is manufacture index slice from 2 to 7 inside the sum function. Applied overhead cost variable is manufacture index 1 multiplied by manufacture index 9. Over applied overhead variable is applied overhead cost subtract actual manufacture overhead. Total manufacture costs variable is manufacture index 0 plus manufacture index 1 plus applied overhead cost. Total cost process variable is total manufacture costs plus manufacture index 7 index 0. COGSM variable is total cost process. Subtract manufacture index 7 index 1. COGS available for sale variable is manufacture index 8 index 0 plus COGSM. COGSUN variable is COGS available for sale. Subtract manufacture index 8 index 1. COGS variable is COGSUN subtract over applied overhead. Then we print this information. Inside our management.py file we have the manufacture data dictionary. We call our method and pass in the manufacture data. Actual manufacturing overhead is $22 million. Applied overhead cost is $25,200,000. Over applied overhead is $3,200,000. Total manufacturing costs is $76,200,000. Total cost of work in process is $81,200,000. Cost of goods manufactured is $77,200,000. And cost of goods sold is $76 million. And that concludes this video.